It looks like a big truck.
This is my brand new scooter.
God damn. Oh! Let's see the G-Tour Ultra. And the honk. Let's see full speed. Holy shittings, bro. Hello, sir. I deliver scooters.
Hello guys, so as you can see, this is a box.
Clearly.
This is my brand new scooter, the BOYUEDA S5-11, and a full review is coming up. So on team, I have gotten a brand new unboxing knife.
Finally,
Like
an unboxing knife. Let's cut the box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So smooth, bro, so smooth.
Okay. The first look. Let us open the box.
Let's open it. Let's see.
Another
Another
Okay.
one. Bro, look at this ginormous headlight. It's like the size of my hand. So now let's get rid of the plastic white snow. Our friend here is helping. This is the chair, bro. You got a chair.
So we got
The-
the seat, the first accessory.
Steering damper.
I had a sensation. It was
A sensation. Let's see. It is red. It's black. I'm the
okay,
uncle
yes.
and I think it's a washing machine.
I'm scared. So the second accessory.
Yeah.
So, I
So
got another accessory.
another pack in the pack in the pack.
Yes, I think this is the. Where is my unboxing knife?
So a lot of alien keys and some screws. Oh, because you need to assemble the scooter, bro. Okay, so now the moment of truth. It's not lifting. There's another thing that it's holding it down. Oh, doesn't it have an like security system? Yeah, it has. Oh, this is full of things. Bro, the phone mount, another accessory.
I have a pump.
A pump, a golden pump. Yo, this is the thumb throttle, half thumb throttle like on the G4. So for a old G4 rider, this is actually a pretty good accessory. The
big
classic toolkit.
Yes.
Oh god, the extension for every single outlet. Bro, what is this? Extremely.
I have got
Dual chargers, 10 amps in total.
10 amps freaking charging.
Charging in like what? 3 hours, 4 hours?
3.5 hours.
God damn. Okay. So we are gonna mount the scooter and be right back. Yo, so just look at the scooter, bro. You got these big ass signals. We got mafia brakes, hydraulic brakes, and a lot of Chinese and things right here.
Let us peel all these
Yeah.
plastics.
In order to unlock the scooter, you need to.
Firstly, take one of the 3 NFCs that the scooter comes with
Okay.
and press it somewhere.
I don't think.
Okay.
It unlocked?
Okay, so the cool thing, one of the cool things about the scooter. Look at this. In the back,
The back.
look at the turn signals.
Let's see the turn signals. Bro, what's
And
that?
I can look.
Yo.
I can turn both of them at the same time.
Yo. They are not synchronized, but
So yes, because
it's
I have
pretty
this
cool. Whoa. Whoa. And in the front you got, bro, you don't got any signals in the front, but you don't need them. Well, look at this. Look at this monstrosity, bro. It's
I
so
got full
big.
LGBTQ++.
Yeah. So let's see.
We have only the back
Only the back, yeah. Only
Or-
the back.
only the front,
Only the front. Or both.
or both.
Yeah. And you have Eco Plus.
Yes.
Comfort and sport.
As far as traveling modes, it's Eco Pro.
Pro.
It's the easiest acceleration.
Yeah.
Comfort. This is like for riding with the seat,
Yeah.
and this is terrifying. Sport mode.
God. Let me try. I want to try. It looks extremely fast, bro. Bro, and look at the lights. And also the signals, bro. Let's. What is this, bro? Whoa! What is this? God damn! Bro, this is so cool. 6,000 watts, bro. 6 kilowatts, bro, and you get this. Bro, look at this. Bro, the acceleration is so fast. Bro, the acceleration, this is a monster. At this point, this is a monster, bro. Bro, you look goofy as hell. Wait. Use your signal, Baba boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First time using the signal. You got you got both.
Mine?
Mine.
Okay.
I don't know why, bro. Look at him! Full speed on the street. Like, bro, and I'm still not catching him. He's going with 60, but he's a little bit scared, I think. $70, $80. Wow! Let me go. Let's see the acceleration of this thing, bro. Bro, this is too cool. This is too cool, actually. Bro, and the brakes. This scooter is too much. Holy schnitzel. Holy schnitzel. The kickstand needs to be adjusted. Needs to get the scooter lower. Bro, it's too much. Acceleration is too brutal for this. This is too much, bro. This is too much. For the scooter. For a scooter, this is too much. What the heck, dude? What the heck is this? Brake test. We are back to the city. My friend went into... So he left for a family trip for like a whole entire week, and now he's back. So yeah, GG's, we are riding now. You have too much torque, bro. Too much. Bro's racing the motors. Bro's trying. At least he's trying. At least he knows what he wants, you know. Bro, this is the worst bike lane that you could possibly build, like. Again the motorcycle, bro. He's trying. He's really trying. Bro, where are you going?
I wanted to go top speed. I got 74.
Yeah? We should go around here. Just enter here. But who I'm talking with? Who I'm talking with? Bro, I'm talking alone or something? I am really talking alone. Yeah. No. Where did we end up? Bro, where are... Bro, literally made... At this point...
At this point, I think we could run a red light and we would have watched.
Yeah, like, bro was crossing, like, 10 meters from the real crossing, and also on the phone while crossing the street.
It's a great example.
26 version.
Asta nu e stabil deloc.
Păi știu! Let's see the G-Tour Ultra. Holy! What is this? God damn! Let's see. Let's see. It got some torque. Actually got some torque. Bro, look at the spaceship. God damn it. Only 35. Bro, this is an absolute spaceship. This is too cool. This is too cool, bro. Bro, this is too cool. It's limited or something, I don't know, but it's cool, bro. And the honk. What the hell? What the hell, bro? What is this honk? Oh, it's a Bluetooth speaker or something. Oh, yeah. And also the Bluetooth speaker, bro. Oh. Bro, I forgot how cool it is to have a motor brake. Like e-brake. I forgot how e-brake was.
This is a message to KukiRush. Send us one of these. This is way too cool.
He wants to go on it.
Yes. I want to ride it all the way to.
Look at them. Holy! It's pretty stable. It's pretty stable, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Now mode 3. Let's see full speed down. Let's see full speed. Holy shittings, bro. Only 73. And also only half battery. Only half battery. Unfortunately, we got only half battery. We're not letting the car overtake, or are we? Yes, we are. Let the car overtake. Holy, oh, goddamn air suspension on the Audi. Holy air suspension. Goddamn, bro, 75 or something. Just hear the mafia brakes, bro, hydraulic brakes. Look at this guy. Bro, it looks like a big truck.
Bro, you're doing overspin, but I can't do overspin.
Yeah. So today we unboxed the brand new BOYUEDA S5-11 and we rode it through the city. Unfortunately, my friend left the city for the rest of the summer and this is all the footage with the scooter that I got. But new videos are coming, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye bye!